So I'll be showing you how to turn off communication limits for phone calls on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions should apply to other iPhone models as well. Now, when you try to make a phone call and you see an error message like this telling you communication limit, what you need to do is just tap OK, exit out of that, and then go to settings. On the main settings page, go to screen time, tap on that. Under screen time, go to communication limits, and then go to allowed communication, and then select everyone. Okay. Then you can now hit the back button and go back all the way to the home screen. And now when you try to make that same phone call, it should try to go through. You'll not see that error message. And that's it. That's how to turn off communication limits on your iPhone so you can make phone calls. Thanks for watching and good luck.